In this lesson, I want to explain how you can import your enemy, like this person, and insert something that can kill the enemy in both ways. For example, object and when the character shoot at it. Okay, I will insert this person, the ideal, this guy. As you can see, we have a image sequence, PNG image sequence. Control A, select all of them. This order is very important. Click and drag and insert it as an object here. And here, our person holding shift and click in here to resize it. As you can see, its face is in the wrong direction. In a scale, we want to flip it in a scale, in a X axis. So type a negative number here, and as you can see, its face will be flip in direction of the character. So in a scale X, you type a number here. Okay. And now we are going to the select. First, when we select the object here in a scene manager, in a scene, we have a preset. We have to set it to enemy. Everything, all of this below setting will be set to the enemy. The most important thing for enemy is destroy type. In destroy type, we can set it destroy the character. So this object destroy the character. Where the character come and hit the enemy will be died. Or when we shoot the enemy will be died because of shooting that. Okay, and of course the collide, its enemy, and everything is correct. Okay, when we select the guy, you can change it the enemy. You can change it name, enemy number 1, and as I said before, you have to correct this collision shape. Okay, it's nice, but when we want to for example, if you want to walk, I suggest you to smooth the bottom of the collision. Select this button, hit plus icon to changing the shape, another plus. They have to be in a convex mode. Okay, that's right, to do not stick in a collision of the other object. Okay, that's nice, and our collision is correct, and this is a default animation. Okay, as you can see, this is a default animation of the enemy, and it's looping, and we have a defeated animation. When our enemy will be defeated, we want to make it die. Insert an animation. Okay, going here, and we have a dying animation. Click and drag it to the defeated animation. As you can see, this is a defeated animation. We do not need to loop it. I want to die once. So, and you can insert a death sound here. For example, when you click edit, we have, for example, a boy death. You can click and drag and insert any sound that you want, the death or ideal sound or waking up sound. I will explain what is the wake up. For example, when your character is sleeping, when we reach it at a specific distance, the enemy or this object wake up. I will explain them, don't worry. So our enemy is ready to action. Everything is correct. It's play and start and going toward the enemy, and when we hit, will be die. Okay, or if you hit an enemy with a space, shoot, an enemy will be die. It's very interesting. You just import your assets, and the build box does everything for you. I want to insert something, another something with the physic object, and that physic object destroy the enemy. Okay, for example, I insert this saw as an object, make it smaller, and when you click on it, it's in a preset, set it on a physics object. In a physics object, when you play, it's the software has a gravity and it will be falling down and collide with other objects. Okay, when you set it to the physics object type change to the physics automatically, collision type is collision, and the destroy type and the destroy type will be set. You can set it to, for example, destroy character, destroy enemy. If you set it destroy character, it will be set as an enemy, and if you select destroy enemy, it will be kill the enemy. As you can see, if you play, it will be, oh, another problem will be occurred when you activate debug. As you can see, our collision is a square. For acting like wheel, we need to select hit saw from here and change its collision to the circle, to rotating at the ground. Everything is correct. Now we play, turn off the debug. As you can see, it's a physics object. We can hit it, and as you can see, it's going to enemy and will be destroyed and destroy itself. Okay, when you click on it, I want to explain you a little something about the component. Every object has a health in the game, 2D game or any game. We have health. For example, we have 2 health, the enemy has health, this object has a health. We can add a health to it. When you select it, you can add a component, but there is not here. You have to select the select the reference object here, and then here you can find the button that you can add a component. We have an interesting component that means called health. As you can see, this is health of the saw. We have 1 health here. So when this saw hit the enemy, kill the enemy, and it will be die itself. But if you set it to 2, we have 1 other health to remain. As you can see, if we start, it's a physics object, we throw it on an enemy and kill the enemy, and it will be remain itself alive, and 1 of their health will be disappear. An interesting thing about the health, you can assigning the taking damage animation. It means if we take damage to the enemy, something else will be shown. For example, going here, I insert an animation to show you. I will explain health. Don't worry, but you can see it. It's very easy. Okay, we have this flash animation or explode animation. You can drag it on a taking damage animation. If your health is in 1, you cannot see the health animation because it will be die immediately and you cannot see the animation. Okay, when we play, start, as you can see, both of them will be disappear. But if you reduce its increase its health, for example 2, 3, and any number, you can see the animation of taking damage. As you can see, this animation will appear when it hit the enemy and kill it. Okay, one of their, if you, for example, hit D to copy its enemy, you can simply hit the enemy. This saw has 2 health. kill one, and when kill the second, it will be disappear itself because it has 2 health, just 2 health. So it kill one enemy and second enemy and itself, and it die itself because it just has 2 health. Okay, this is all about enemy. I will be talking about more. For example, the enemy, you can add a spawner object component that will be shoot at the character, and another thing. Okay, that's it for enemy. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.